Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 1B chapter real number of class 10 from mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. Okay, so my first question is 7 number. Two positive integers a and b. Two positive integers a and b can be written as कि a equal to x cube by a square and b equal to x by q, where x and y are prime numbers. Where x and y are prime numbers. Find the HCF of a and b and find the LCM of a and b. Okay, so first of all I have two numbers a and b, and a and b are the two integers, and we write the product of primes. Okay, so let's start solution, students. We have a equal to x cube by a square. It means कि a is a composite numbers and a is the product of prime numbers. Okay, so equal to x multiply x multiply x multiply y multiply y, we write, and b equal to x by q, x by q. So we write x multiply y multiply y multiply y, base same power add. Okay, so first of all HCF of a comma b equal to common factors, product of the common factors a and b. So first x and second is y and second is also y. Okay, so x multiply y multiply y equal to x by a square is the HCF of a and b. Hence the HCF of a comma b equal to x y a square. Okay, and next find the LCM. Find the LCM. So LCM of a comma b equal to maximum power. So x per power 1 and x per power q. So we write x to the power q multiply and by per power q and by per square. It means by ka power q. So the LCM of a and b equal to x q by q. Okay, so hence the LCM of a comma b equal to x q y q. Okay, students, our next question is 10 number. The HCF of two numbers a and b. A and b have two numbers. We have two numbers a and b is 5. HCF of a and b is 5 and their LCM is 200. Find the product of AB. So let's start solution. Given one number equal to a and other number equal to b, and HCF of two numbers, HCF of a and b equal to 5 and LCM of a and b equal to 200. Okay, so students, we know that the product of two numbers, we know that the product of two numbers equal to their HCF and their LCM. Product of their HCF and their LCM. So the product of two numbers equal to HCF multiply LCM. Okay, and the product of two numbers equal to A multiply B equal to HCF equal to 5 multiply LCM equal to 200. So AB equal to 1000. Okay, hence AB, find the product of AB. AB equal to 1000. Okay, students, our next question number 11 is the LCM of two numbers is 9 times their HCF. 9 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 500. तो find their HCF. It means कि दो नंबर्स है हमारे पास और दोनों का LCM जो है वो 9 टाइम्स देयर HCF, उसके HCF के 9 गुना है. ओके, for the and the sum of LCM and HCF is 500. Find their HCF. So let's start solution. LCM of two numbers is 9 times of their HCF. So let the HCF of two numbers be X. Let the HCF of two numbers be X. Okay, then their LCM equal to 9 times of their HCF, so 9x. Okay, and according to questions, the sum of LCM and HCF is 500. The sum of LCM, it means 9x or plus x equal to 500. This implies 9x and 1x equal to 10x. 10x equal to 500. 1 0 1 0 is cancelled. So x equal to 50. Okay, and x is the HCF of two numbers. Okay, so hence the HCF of two numbers equal to 50. Our next question is 15 number. We find the largest number. Find the largest number. सबसे बड़ी संख्या निकालिए. Which divides 438. जिसे 438 में डिवाइड करें एंड 606 में, तो लिविंग रिमाइंडर 6 इन ईच केस. प्रत्येक केस में रिमाइंडर हमारा क्या हो, 6 हो. ओके, सो let's start the solution. कि find the largest number. Let the required number divides 438 minus 6 equal to 432, and 606 minus 6 equal to 600. Okay, exactly. रिक्वायर्ड नंबर जो है से अगर 438 माइनस 6 इक्वल टू 432 एंड 600 में डिवाइड करते हैं तो पूरी तरह से क्या होगा, डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. सो द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इक्वल टू HCF of 432 and 600. Okay, so we find the HCF of 432 and 600. So first of all, prime factor of 432 to 216, 108, 54, 27, 9, 3, 1 and 600, 300 to ja 600, 150 to ja 300, 75 to ja 125, 3 ja 75, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 5 ja 1. Okay, so by prime factorization method, method 432 equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 and 600 equal to the product of primes equal 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 5. So HCF of 432 and 600 equal to is the common factor. So 2, 2 and 2, 3 and no other factor is common. So 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 or multiply 3. So 8, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 3 ja 24. Okay, so 24 divide 438, 24 divide 438, 24 24 8 ja 196, remainder is fixed. Okay, and 24 divide 606 to 24 2 ja 48, 12 and 24 5 ja 120 and each case the remainder is 6. Okay, for our the largest number 24. Students, next question number 16. Find the largest number which divides 320 and 457, leaving remainder 5 and 7 respectively. Okay, so first of all we subtract 5 from 320 and the 7 from 457. So required numbers, let's start solution. So clearly the required number divides 320 minus 5 equal to 350 and 457 minus 7 equal to 450 exactly. Okay, so the required largest number equal to HCF of 315 and 450. Okay, so first of all, prime factor of 350, 3, 1, 5, 3, 3 is 9, 5 is 15, 5, 7 is 35 and 7, 1, and 450 to 225, 3, 7 is 21 and 3, 5 is 15, 5, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so now 315 equal to 3 multiply 5 multiply 7, and 450 equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, so common factor is 3 and the next other is 3 and 5. Okay, so hence HCF of 315 and 450 equal to 3 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5, 3 3 is 9 and 9 5 is 45. Okay, so hence the required number, equal to HCF of 350, 450 equal to 45. Okay, thank you.